Every journey to wealth begins with a vision. Picture your ideal life, set ambitious goals, but remember, even the richest started with small steps. It's not about overnight success, but about building habits and making consistent progress. By dreaming big, you give yourself a direction, and by starting small, you make your goals achievable. This mindset lays the foundation for everything that follows. As we move forward, keep your dreams in mind and be ready to take practical steps toward them. Let's explore how to turn those dreams into reality, one step at a time. Get rich, you need to know exactly what you want. Setting clear, specific financial goals gives you a target to aim for. Whether it's saving a certain amount, buying a home, or starting a business, clarity helps you focus your efforts. Write down your goals and break them into smaller milestones. This way you can track your progress and stay motivated. As we continue, remember that having a roadmap makes the journey smoother and more rewarding. Financial literacy is a key ingredient in building wealth. Take time to learn about budgeting, investing, and managing debt. Read books, watch videos, or attend seminars. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. Knowledge empowers you to spot opportunities and avoid costly mistakes. As we move on, remember, investing in your financial education pays the best dividends. Solid budget is your financial blueprint. Track your income and expenses to understand where your money goes. Allocate funds for essentials, savings, and investments. Sticking to a budget helps you control spending and ensures you're saving enough to reach your goals. Over time, this discipline builds the foundation for wealth. Next, let's see how saving consistently accelerates your journey. Saving money isn't just about putting aside what's left over. Make saving a priority by treating it like a bill you must pay every month. Even small amounts add up over time thanks to the power of compounding. Automate your savings to make the process effortless. As your savings grow, you'll have the capital needed for investments and opportunities that come your way. While saving is important, increasing your income can fast-track your wealth journey. Look for ways to earn more, such as asking for a raise, starting a side hustle, or investing in skills that boost your earning potential. Multiple income streams provide security and accelerate your progress. Next, we'll discuss how to make your money work for you through smart investments. Investing is where your money starts working for you. Learn about different investment options like stocks, real estate, or mutual funds. Diversify your portfolio to manage risk and maximize returns. Start early, even with small amounts, to benefit from compounding. Remember, patience and consistency are key. As we continue, let's talk about managing debt effectively. Debt can be a tool or a trap. Use it wisely for things that build value like education or property. Avoid high-interest debt and pay off credit cards quickly. Create a plan to reduce existing debt, freeing up more money for savings and investments. Smart debt management keeps your finances healthy and supports your wealth-building journey. Wealth isn't just about how much you earn, but how much you keep. Living below your means allows you to save and invest more. Resist lifestyle inflation as your income grows. Focus on needs over wants and find satisfaction in simple pleasures. This discipline frees up resources for wealth building and keeps you financially secure. Relying on a single source of income can be risky. Explore ways to diversify your earnings, such as freelancing, investing, or starting a small business. Multiple income streams provide stability and accelerate your path to wealth. As we move forward, let's see how networking can open new doors. Success often depends on who you know as much as what you know. Build a strong network by connecting with like-minded people, mentors, and industry leaders. Attend events, join groups, and offer value to others. These relationships can lead to new opportunities, partnerships, and valuable advice on your wealth journey. As your wealth grows, protecting it becomes crucial. Get the right insurance, create an emergency fund, and consider legal protections like wills or trusts. Safeguarding your assets ensures that setbacks don't wipe out your hard-earned progress. Next, let's talk about the importance of continuous learning. The world of money is always changing. Stay curious and keep learning about new trends, technologies, and opportunities. Adapt your strategies as needed to stay ahead. Continuous learning keeps you sharp and ready to seize new chances for growth. Now, let's see how giving back can enrich your journey. True wealth isn't just about money, it's also about making a positive impact. Share your success by giving back to your community or supporting causes you care about. Helping others not only feels good but can also open new doors and build lasting relationships. As we approach the final steps, remember that generosity is a key part of a fulfilling life. Building wealth takes time and perseverance. There will be setbacks and challenges, but staying persistent and patient is essential. Celebrate small wins along the way and keep your eyes on the bigger picture. With consistent effort, your financial dreams can become reality. Now, let's dive deeper into habits that support long-term wealth. Wealthy people often share common habits. They read regularly, plan their days, and review their finances. Start incorporating these habits into your routine. Track your spending, set aside time for learning, and review your goals often. These small daily actions compound over time, leading to significant results. Next, let's look at how to avoid common financial pitfalls. It's tempting to look for shortcuts, but most get-rich-quick schemes end in disappointment or loss. Focus on proven strategies and be wary of offers that sound too good to be true. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. By avoiding risky shortcuts, you protect your progress and set yourself up for lasting success. Learning to wait for bigger rewards is a hallmark of wealthy individuals. Instead of spending impulsively, practice patience and invest for the future. Delayed gratification allows your money to grow and helps you make smarter choices. This mindset shift is crucial for anyone serious about building lasting wealth. Knowing your net worth gives you a clear picture of your financial health. Regularly update your assets and liabilities to see how you're progressing. This habit helps you spot trends, set new goals, and stay motivated. As we move forward, let's discuss the importance of surrounding yourself with positive influences. The people you spend time with influence your mindset and habits. Surround yourself with positive, ambitious individuals who support your goals, learn from their experiences, and share your own. This supportive environment keeps you motivated and focused on your path to wealth. Automation makes managing money easier and more effective. Set up automatic transfers for savings, investments, and bill payments. This reduces the temptation to spend and ensures you're consistently building wealth. Automation also frees up mental energy for bigger financial decisions. Life changes, and so should your financial plan. Regularly review your goals, budget, and investments. Adjust as needed to stay on track. This flexibility helps you navigate challenges and seize new opportunities as they arise. Taxes can have a big impact on your wealth. Learn how taxes work and find legal ways to minimize them. Use tax-advantaged accounts and consult professionals if needed. Smart tax planning keeps more money in your pocket and accelerates your path to financial freedom. The earlier you start planning for retirement, the easier it is to build a comfortable future. Take advantage of retirement accounts and employer matches. Regular contributions, even small ones, grow significantly over time. Planning ahead ensures you can enjoy your wealth for years to come. Your skills and knowledge are your greatest assets. Invest in education, health, and personal growth. The more you grow, the more value you can offer and the more you can earn. This self-investment pays off in every area of your life. Markets, technology, and opportunities are always evolving. Stay flexible and open to change. Adapt your strategies as needed to stay ahead. Being adaptable ensures you can navigate challenges and capitalize on new trends. Wealth is as much about mindset as it is about money. Practicing gratitude keeps you focused on what you have, rather than what you lack. This positive outlook attracts more opportunities and helps you enjoy the journey to wealth. Good health is the foundation of wealth. Without it, it's hard to enjoy or build your riches. Prioritize exercise, nutrition, and rest. A healthy body and mind support your financial goals and help you perform at your best. Take time to acknowledge your achievements, no matter how small. Celebrating progress keeps you motivated and reminds you how far you've come. This positive reinforcement makes the journey to wealth more enjoyable and sustainable. Wealth is a lifelong journey. Keep setting new goals, learning, and pushing yourself to new heights. The pursuit of growth keeps life exciting and ensures your wealth continues to expand. Remember, the richest lives are those filled with purpose, growth, and contribution.